in a grind where the metal meets the mic. We're the ones to call when it just ain't right. Snap bolts, thread, spare, tools to make it will beyond compare. Bring the spark and renew it. Helicopters in search for the crew. Steampunk heroes here to save it for you. If you can't screw it, we can do it. Turn the wrench, bring the spark and renew it. Helicopters in search for the crew. Steampunk heroes here to save it for you.
The actual bolt is now out. That is where it's supposed to be. And that is where they bolted. That's quite a huge difference, eh? Ja. Kinderliese gat for a little bolt. Okay, now comes the difficult part. I have to close all that up and make it look pretty. That's good. Okay, now for the fun part. I need to cut thread here. Now, as you can see, if I try and start the tap there, we're going to end up running into the edge on this side of the head, which isn't going to work. So first, I have to get it to start working its way in. Just to give me some grip. There we go. Now I can slowly and gently work the tap in. That looks good. I'm happy with that. Be nice and straight. And the angle is good over there. A little bit over to that side. But we're doing good. Nicely, perfectly straight. Remember, there's still the intake manifold that comes on here, so if this hole is skewed, then the bolt doesn't fit in correctly and you end up back at square one again. Oh, sorry. Das ist gut. Put a bit of light on the subject. Yeah, you can see that's still how skew they went. I can't even get thread there, but I'm not worried about that one little bit. I've got more than enough thread around it, and I'll be filling that up with some special paste to ensure that there is no leakage or seepage, and it will help for the strength as well. Anyway, I'm gonna attack this. Just gonna tighten up a little bit here. First gotta make sure that my angle is correct. Right there. Okay, because I messed around, the drill bit is blunt. So let's go sharpen it. Right. That's ginger ale. Struggling with the flu at the moment, as you can hear with the sniffles. So yeah, there we go, nice and sharp. Pop it on and let's go again. Almost there, and the drill bit is blunt again. You can see it's been hammered there, but we're almost in. I think let's take this one with. This is going to be the final size before we start tapping. Ooh. We're happy with that. Definitely happy there. That's it. I want to go a little bit deeper. Really not much, otherwise we punch through. Okay. Now this we're going to go slow And steady. Check, angle, and angle. See, that looks good, nice and straight. That's it, perfect though. I am happy with that. Let it cool off a bit. And we're nicely in the middle, a little bit over, but I'm not going to moan about that. Right though.
If you can't screw it, we can do it with the strength of our hands.